god, I literally just touched my own mask. Damn it. Hi guys, it's Miss Mystery here. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Today's video is a fun how-to DIY. And what we're going to be doing is a mask just like this. So, I know you've seen these masks before in plenty of my videos. And I actually did these masks myself. And I'm not a very crafty person, but you know, I decided, I want to, have it be a little mysterious. So, what you will need, I have here on this table. So let me just point down so you guys can see. Okay. So, what you will need is some glitter glue, just like this. But just know that anything you want to use is entirely up to you. Of course, you're gonna need a mask. Any color you want, go ahead, get it however you like. You're gonna need some of these rhinestone stickers. Oh, actually, one of them fell. One sec. Okay. So, these beautiful rhinestone stickers. If you don't want to use the stickers, you can use just regular rhinestones. It's entirely up to you. I have this one and this one. Now you want feathers of different colors. Different color feathers, it's entirely up to you. They come in a bag when I bought them. If you want to use any other colors, you're free to do so. If you just want to stick to black, white, whatever color you want is entirely up to you. But I think these colorful ones are way more fun. And you're gonna need a hot glue gun. This one's the bigger glue gun, but the mini ones work as well. And then glue sticks to refill your glue gun if you run out of them. So, that's what you're gonna need. So, and also you want to make sure you're doing this on a surface where you can have this hot glue gun, because you're gonna have to put it down and you're gonna have to work quickly. I would say, kids, if you're trying this, make sure you have an adult present or anyone that can help you out, because this glue gun does get pretty hot and I have burned myself. So that's what you're gonna need. So let's get started. Okay, so now that I have my stuff laid out on my table, what I typically do is I take my mask and I decide what design I want. I'm thinking for this one is I think I'm gonna have feathers out to the sides, So what you want to do is just pretty much get an idea of what you want for this mask. So sorry if I'm trying to make sure that you guys can see. There we go. So I have my glue gun connected and I'm letting that warm up. Like I said, please be careful. Those are very hot. Have an adult with you if you're a minor, so that way they can monitor this gun. But they can monitor the glue gun. So I love glitter. As you can see, this mask does have glitter in the bottom. So I think I'm gonna do glitter on this one too. But I think I'm gonna do a white or gold glitter. So I would suggest picking out your glitter, but I would suggest doing this last because this is pretty sticky. They're in these tubes. They're pretty sticky and it takes I'd say a couple hours, maybe 2 hours for it to dry up. So I would suggest doing that last. So what we can get started with is, let's do the rhinestones. Okay, so I think I want to do, what do you guys think? Maybe this one, a gold here. And just play around with whatever you want. It's your mask, you're making it. If you don't want to use rhinestones, if you want to use anything else, more glitter, that's entirely up to you. Do what you want. Okay, so what I do is I pretty much just lay it out just to get an idea of what it'll look like, so I do that. Then I'm going to take my hot glue gun, which is over here. Sorry, I have it connected over here. And let me see, I'll move you so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna take a small little thing. Does it not want to come out? Oh, there we go. And you want to gently push. You don't even need to push that much, and just kind of spread it around. Sorry, I'm in the middle of painting my nails again, so that's why they're all ugly. Get it all around. Okay. Woo! There's a string of, and set that down. And then you just want that to put you back kind of dry. And then we're gonna place it right in the middle and squeeze and then let go. See? There you go. So I'm gonna do that. If you don't feel comfortable with having the rhinestone in your hand and putting the hot glue, you can always just put the glue on your mask and then stick the rhinestone on there. It's entirely up to you how you want to do it. So let's go down. We're going to continue. For this one, I think I'm going to do from my feathers that I have. And any of the stuff, guys, you can buy at your craft store. You can buy at your discount store. Feel free to look. Whatever's cheapest and convenient for you. I think this one I'm going to stick with yellow and white feathers to kind of make it look like this, right? So you get an idea of just having them pop out to the side. I think that looks good. So I'm going to lay that out. Some more white feathers, whatever. Now be careful with the feathers. The feathers do get kind of like all over the place, you know. Okay, you see? And then you just want to pick which ones you want. Some of them may be bent. If you don't want to use those, that's fine. You know, this one's kind of bent. But there's this. One more white one. I think I'm going to do it like this. Okay. Once I have them, I'll put my feathers back. Just so, oh. They get all over the place, and I have a cat and she will rip these apart. So, okay. I'm just gonna put those to the side for now because I have made a mess. And it's all over the place. Okay. So, once you have the feathers that you want, what you're going to do, sorry, my AC's on. Okay. What you're going to do is pretty much arrange them in the order that you want. So, you want your bottom two to be kind of like a triangular like this, touching. So you see what I mean? You see? Like this. So that way you leave room for the middle one when you glue it. And we're going to glue one at a time. So, feathers are kind of complicated to work with, so you know, take your time. Don't rush. And then we're back to our hot glue gun. Sorry, the cord isn't long enough, so I have to like move you guys so you can see what I'm doing. And there's always like excess glue. Oh my god, which is really hot. Ow, ow, ow. So I would say with the excess glue that comes off, you don't really have to push it that much. You just like, let me turn you over a little more. Grab your feather and just put it right in the center where you see that piece of, see, like this. And then you place it down on your mask. Like this, and you just hold. You can grab whatever tool you need to. If you want to grab a pencil or something to kind of smash it down, I'm gonna grab one of these. Nope, that wasn't a good idea. And then ta-da, we have our first feather. Then you're gonna grab your middle one. Actually, let's grab the other one to do that triangular shape. Same thing. Slightly push a little just so some glue comes out. And we're going to put it right in the middle part. Like this. See that? And then we're going to push down here. Hold it while I burn my hand. And here's your second one. Now here in the middle is going to go the yellow one. So I'm going to finish that up. And I'll meet with you guys once the feathers are all glued on. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. I would love to do more how-tos. Oh man, there's a feather. And show you different masks that you can do. I would recommend going to a craft store to getting all your supplies, or your local discount store. These masks themselves, you can buy them at like any party supply store, or you can go online and find them as well. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Miss Mystery. Subscribe to my social media. I'll link all that down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Where did I touch it? Where did I? Oh my God, I placed my hand down and I touched it. I just told you guys not to touch it and I messed it up. You see the glitter? Oh my God. Oh well. Bye.